No, siya, ikaw magsaselect kung mauna kayo or you will select whether you will be the first, second, or third. Or last. Second. Ikaw naman choose. You choose who will go first.
Third lang maybe. First lang.
You will be second, who will be the first? Okay. Yeah, you're the second. First? Okay. Okay, Joshua Group is the first to play. Sir Andres, timer. Guys, what you need to do is to distract them. I think you're familiar with the game, right? So, we will choose, there will be one member here who needs to take the ball. 5 balls. Right? And then, yeah. Yes. No, they need to choose. What color? Oh, isa lang. Pero, saan yung mag-dealing na kayo? Saan? 5, for example. Emerson, go. Ngayon, kung si Emerson ang naka-ano. Ikaw yung mag-coaching sa kanya. Tapos, kung na-complete come here, get Jens. Come here. No. Once Emerson completes my 5 minutes, you will choose one to pass. Once, ano siya? No, ma'am. Hindi yung sa dito. Oh, papalo na. Ilagay lang niya, ibibigay sa akin. Ako.
Hindi, kung mga yung first.
Sa akin yung first. Hindi. Ibibigay ko yung isang ball. Tapos ipapasa niya. Once, nandito na yung last, he needs to build the pyramid. Then put the one ball on top of the pyramid. Then we will stop the timer. Clear? Yes. But your role is to distract them. Right? To complete the 5 balls. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No need blindfold. Okay. Tell us if you're ready, ha? So we will start the timer. Yes. Ready? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Isa-isa lang. Last three. Last 2. Okay, last 1. Yung last yung ipapasok. Okay na. Yes, sir. Yan yung basa mo. Yung last ball yung pamasa. Nice!
Ang shit!
Oh! Ang sweet naman!
Why ba?
Labag mo naman.
Ikaw tayo magkasagot.
Ihipan niya.
Ah!
Again! You need again!
It's not possible. I think not possible, boss. Not possible. Huh? Yeah.
Oh! Again, no. This one. Only one. Sige, tuloy mo na. Dapat walang kutsara.
Joel!
Kapag may upuan sila.
Max ba? Yalla! Max, yalla!
Hindi, mamaya napag-glass na. Pag nandiyan eh. Wala!
Oh! Not possible ba? Jamal. Oh fuck.
Pasman! Pasmado tayo bunga! Oh! Wala! Isa lang ngayon eh.
Mamaya yung mga pictures yung sa akin.
Oh! Max ba? Max! Ay! Oh!
Dapat yung kasi ako
Jamal, you can do. You alone.
Hindi ko kasama yung area manager. Parang manalo. Guys, maplano na kayo dyan. Kung gawin. Naging na, Brad. Oh. Ang ganda ng ano, Joshua kanina.
Impossible, boss. Ha?
Yun.
Sounds ko nga, ano?
Panalo na yan, boss.
Galit sumupunit. Galit sumupunit.
Yun.
Yo!